This is a score-based quiz. Grab a pen and paper, or keep a mental note of your score. At the end, check your score and see where you rank. Are you a genius or just lost in the sauce? Let's find out. What is the fastest land animal? Cheetah. Which mammal is known to have the most powerful bite? Hippopotamus. What is a group of crows called? A murder of crows. Which bird is known for its ability to mimic human speech? African grey parrot. What is the only venomous primate? Slow loris. Which sea creature has 3 hearts? Octopus. What is the largest species of shark? Whale shark. Which reptile can run on water? Basilisk lizard. What is the name of the largest living rodent? Capybara. Which mammal lays eggs? Platypus. What is the only mammal capable of true flight? Bat. Which animal has the longest lifespan? Greenland shark. What is the main food source of a giant panda? Bamboo. Which bird has the largest wingspan? Wandering albatross. What type of animal is a fennec? Fox. Which amphibian has the ability to regenerate lost body parts? Axolotl. What is the world's largest species of turtle? Leatherback sea turtle. Which animal can sleep standing up but only dream when lying down? Horse. What is the collective name for a group of owls? A parliament. Which fish is known to produce electricity to stun its prey? Electric eel. Congrats on making it to the end. Drop your rank in the comments and let us know how you scored. And to all geniuses out there, we salute you.